So you join us on day 6 of our Advent Calendar RC car build. And there's what we have just in front. So this is an accumulation of the 5 previous days build. So we've got a couple of axles, got the main chassis, and we've had a little chassis protector piece. So that is how the car stands at the moment. We obviously can't build it up all in one because we are doing this day by day. I'm hoping that you stick with us throughout the days of Christmas and December. Anyway, less waffling. We're now on to day 6. So we are just up here, day 6. So if you can see along this picture here, it is towards the end of shot on purpose. You can see day 6 over here, before I even open it, is another chassis protector just to lock this front axle in place. So let's get this opened so we can get building. And there we have it. So you'll see just here, there's the chassis protector with a couple of screws to get that front axle locked in. So let's get it done. Okay, so these are the parts we have so far. This is day 6, and this is some build. If I can get into these plastic pouches. Right, so we've got our little plastic piece there just to lock in the ball joints and the trailing arms. We've got some screws. So let's get this open and built. So again, not quite 100% sure where the wires on this are meant to run, but we will worry about that later. So one thing I have sort of noticed while I'm building this up is, although it's fairly interesting, you get each bit day by day to build this car up. If you'd bought this for a child, son, daughter, or even your adult child, your husband, then I could see them losing interest in this very quickly, which is a shame. Mainly because on some of the days you get such a small amount of parts that you can't actually fit them to the car until the next day, and so you're just left with a pile of parts and some screws that you can do nothing with. And I can imagine some of them screws and parts being lost as you go day by day. So with this, I would say if you do buy it, you'd want to sit down with your child and build it step by step and then put it out of the way. I mean, it is going to take 24 days to build, so you're going to have some patience, or at least they're going to have to learn some patience, but there we are. I will try to make this as fun and exciting as possible. Once we've then got it built, I will put this thing through death, and if it survives, I might even just give it away to a local child, because why not? I will eventually have enough cars that I won't need this, but I may as well have some fun with it first. And there we have our chassis so far, with our axles and motor, and that is it so far. So thank you for watching day 6 of our Advent Calendar RC car build. I hope that you're enjoying it so far. I mean, to be fair, I'm enjoying this little build. It is a bit slow, but it's an Advent Calendar. What do we expect? Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow for the next one. Stay amped. Merry Christmas.